One thing nobody tells you when you buy your first RV is this. Your RV is basically a small house going 60 miles an hour during a constant earthquake. Everything vibrates, screws loosen, sealant ages. That's not a failure of the RV, it's just the reality of life on the road. Once you understand that maintenance is part of the lifestyle, RV ownership becomes a lot less frustrating. That's the ideas behind my Rolling Smooth books, because the more you understand your rig, the smoother the journey becomes.